Thank you for choosing Direct Metal Roofing for your roofing needs. You're probably wondering, what's next? In this video, we will discuss just a couple of steps briefly on what's to come before the install of your roof. Step number 1 is to get your notice of commencement fully executed. This can be done by you coming to our office and one of our notaries notarizing that document for you. Or we can email it to you and you can have it done with your local banker. Then, once we have that fully executed, we can go ahead and have it recorded of public record with the clerk of court. When that comes back, we can apply for your permit. Then soon after, the municipality will release the permit to us, and at that point, we can confirm the measurements of your roof. And once they're all confirmed, we're ready to order your materials, and you will be soon on your way to have the new roof you've been looking for. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call. Anybody will be more than happy to answer your questions. But until then, we'll see you till the next update.